So, in this third question, consider the given patch of the triangle. Say whether each patch is that of congruent triangle. If the triangles are congruent, say O. O it is congruent. If they are not congruent, say YO, and also say if a small modification would make them congruent. Okay. So, in this place, what we are having? We are having a two triangle. Okay. In triangle PQR and another triangle ABC. Okay, so what are the angles I am having? By comparing this, comparing two triangles, so what we get? AB. So first I am having PQR, so I am taking this PQ equal to AB. So one side is equal, then BC, then QR equal to BC. Two side is equal. So therefore there is not common equal. Therefore it is not congruent, but it have possible, because they are asking what is the possibility to it's become congruent. Possible to congruent when it is possible PR is equal to AC. Therefore SSS congruent. Are you clear? It's not congruent. Before that it's not congruent, but we have this RA means PR equal to AC means, therefore it is a SSS congruent. That's it. Okay. So by using this triangle, so we are having a rectangle, so I am dividing into two equal triangle. In this place, in triangle, what I am having? ABD. In triangle BCD. So comparing this, comparing, what we get? AD is equal to BC. So one side, then AB is equal to CD, second side, then BD is common. Common means obviously equal, so third side. Therefore SSS congruent. Therefore it is a SSS congruent. So we are having a triangle like this. Okay, so one side and one side. So triangle. So I am taking two equal X, Y, P. X, Y, P. Then X, P, Z. X, P, Z, two triangle. Comparing. Therefore X, Y. This one line means equal. This is equal to this. X, Z. Right? This and this. Then Y, P is equal to PZ. And we are having a common. PX common. So one side, side. Therefore SSS congruent. What's that? SSS. Then fourth one, we are having diagram like this. So from this we are having two triangle, the same method. So this is one triangle, this is one triangle. Triangle A, it's okay, OAB. Triangle ODC. Okay, we are having a two triangle. So comparing. Okay, comparing. So what I am getting? AO is equal to OC. So AO equal to OC ma, and what I am having? Angle B is equal to angle D. So it's nothing but ABO. Okay. Angle B for in this triangle is equal to angle D. So yes, another angle. And by using this, we already know by using a vertical opposite, this angle is equal to this angle. So by vertically opposite, so what's happen? This angle is what? How can I write? AOB. AOB equal to DOC. Angle DOC. The angle should be middle, right? So this is a one of the angle. So what we learned about it before? Two angle, one side, right? Therefore, you are wish to write angle, angle, side. Okay. That implies which angle? Triangle OAB is congruent. Is the one of the way to write. So triangle ODC. Okay, this is one of the way congruent. Okay. Then in this place I am having triangle same OAB ODC. So compare and write. AO is equal to OC and BO equal to OD vertically. By vertically opposite angles are equal. AOB. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. So angle. So side angle. You should know about this tabulation. Side angle side. Right? One angle. So therefore side angle side. I am having two side and one angle. That implies a triangle AO is congruent to ODC. That's it. Okay. So in this place what I am having? Consider triangle ABM. ABM. Okay, in this place triangle AMC. Okay, so it's moving 90 degree means in this place also 90 degree. So for my comparing triangles, what we get comparing my triangle, what I am getting? This side is equal AB equal to AC, one side, and AM is common. AM common. Okay, and one more is angle is 90 degree. Angle AMB equal to angle AMC is equal to 90 degree. This is a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So normally how can we write hypotenuse? This is a triangle. So if you are having a 90 degree. So 90 degree, this is hypotenuse, right? So I am having triangle 90 degree. So opposite is this. So obviously AB equal to AC. So hypotenuse, or it's clear, hypotenuse is equal. I am having a one angle and one side is equal, right? So this is side. So this is a R 90 degree. So therefore RHS. That implies triangle ABM is congruent to triangle AMC. Are you clear? That's it. And I am having a two triangles in which AB is equal to DF and ACB equal to 70 degree and angle ABC equal to 60 degree, and they given the angle like this.